So guys, we got some fractions. 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 2 over a plus b. So when we ever have fractions, what do? We check all the cases where the denominators are 0. Because if we would end up with one of them being the solution, we know that that can't be the case, because we have to be able to plug them back into the original equation, and still everything has to make sense. So, okay, but this one's really easy. Okay, so we have, here this fraction can't be undefined, meaning that a cannot be 0, and we also know that b cannot be 0, and we know that a plus b cannot be 0. Okay, good so far. So now, because we want all the fractions to go away, or sorry, all the denominators to go away, we just multiply by every denominator there is. So we just multiply by a times b times a plus b in parentheses everywhere. So then for the first one, the a's cancel out, so we get a b times a plus b, and then for the second one, the b's cancel out, so then we get a plus a times a plus b, and for the right hand side we just get 2ab. Okay, so just solving these parentheses, we get ab plus b squared plus a squared plus ab is equal to 2ab, and here clearly the ab's cancel out everywhere. So what we get is that a squared plus b squared is equal to 0. Okay, and since we're assuming that a and b's are real numbers, we know that both a squared and b squared are always bigger than or equal to 0. Because a negative number squared is positive, right? So, okay, we know that both of these are bigger than or equal to 0, and the sum of them is supposed to be 0. Therefore, both of them have to be equal to 0, right? So this means that a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. And now we're all happy, thinking, oh yeah, we solved the problem. That was super easy. But you're wrong. You must not forget where you came from. So here, let's check to our conditions. Wait, a can't be 0 and b can't be 0. So therefore, there are no possible solutions. And we have proved it. And yeah, so that was it. So always remember where you came from, and remember your conditions. That was the lesson of today. So yeah, that was all for me. Bye bye.